What is money?
I don't know.
You use it every day, but have you ever stopped to think about what makes it money?
Nope.
So stick around because understanding this is the key to unlocking why things like Bitcoin exist. Let's break it down. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You hand over a $5 bill and boom, you got your latte. At its core, money is just a tool that we all agree to use for three main things. First, a medium of exchange. You can trade it for stuff like coffee instead of exchanging your watch for that cup of coffee, for example. Second, it's a store of value. You can save it today and spend it tomorrow, hoping that it's still worth something. Third, it's a unit of account. It's how we measure prices. For example, $5 for a latte, $10 for a pizza, $40 for gas, $40,000 a year for college tuition, $400,000 for a house.
Woozah. I don't know what the you're talking about.
But here's the crazy thing. Money wasn't always dollar bills and coins. Hundreds of years ago, people traded with stuff like shells, cattle, cocoa beans, even salt was used as a currency at some point. You ever hear the phrase worth your salt? It means to be capable or deserving of your salary. The origin came from the word salarium, which derives from the Latin word sal, meaning salt. And that's how the English came with the word salary.
What?
You learn something new every day. And then we got smarter. Gold and silver became money because they were rare and durable, and also everybody wanted them. Fast forward to the 1600s, and paper money showed up. It's basically an IOU that is backed by gold in a vault. And then eventually government says, just trust us, don't worry about the gold.
I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets, except in amounts and conditions determined to be in the interest of monetary stability and in the best interest of the United States. Your dollar will be worth just as much tomorrow as it is today.
Today, money is just a number on a screen, just digital dollars in your bank app. Crazy. So why does this matter? Money is this amazing invention that keeps the world spinning. But here's the catch. It only works if we trust it. Think about it. What if the coffee shop said, nah, your $5 is worthless? Or what if the price doubled overnight because there's too much money floating around?
Enfajo, bebé. República Bolivariana de Venezuela. ¡Qué lujo! ¡Qué lujo!
Or what if you try to pay with 20 Haitian dollars instead of 5 American dollars? Will they accept it? That's where things can get a little messy. So money isn't set in stone. Governments and banks control how much money exists, and that can change how much and what your dollar can buy. Ever notice your grandparents say,
A movie used to cost a nickel.
that's money losing power over time. And that's why some people are looking for alternatives like Bitcoin to preserve the value of their capital. Here's the big takeaway. Money is whatever we agree it is, as long as it works for trading, savings, and measuring. But when that agreement starts to look a little shaky, or when banks and government mess with the money too much, people start asking, is there a better way? That's what this series is all about. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. And to understand why it's a big deal, you've got to know what money is first. We just scratched the surface. In the next video, we're gonna dive into who really controls your money in the bank. And trust me, it's not you. And look, I cannot give you financial advice, but it might make sense just to get some in case it catches on.